Hi, Sarah. So for number 4 on that Nearpod, I'm just going to turn my pen on. They give you a function, b of x equals negative x minus 7. The domain they give you is integers from negative 3 to 2. So you have to find the range. So remember that the domain is integers only, not decimal values between negative 3 and 2. So what you want to do first is figure out what integers are we talking about for the domain. So the domain, there's no equal sign here, so it doesn't include negative 3. It starts with negative 2, then negative 1, 0, 1, and again there's no equal sign on this inequality, so 2 is not included. So that's our domain, and so what we do is just plug them each into the function. So we're going to find b of negative 2, and we're going to find b of negative 1, and b of 0, and b of 1. So when I plug in negative 2, it becomes positive 2 minus 7 is negative 5. When I plug in negative 1, it becomes 1 minus 7 is negative 6. 0 minus 7 would be negative 7. And then 1 would become negative 8. Negative 1 minus 7. So those 4 answers are your range. And you should list them probably in order from least to greatest, but I won't take off points if you don't. So that would be negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, and negative 5. And that's it. So no, again, no decimals or anything, so you can't use an inequality for your answer. You have to list them individually because of the fact that they're integers. All right, I hope this helps. If not, feel free to come by during office hours. Okay, thanks.